I'm about to have my eru. Love it. Love it. Hey, now what do you think so far?
I have been Aeronized long time before.
Long time,
now.
yes.
So I'm a big fan.
Oof. Eru with particulars.
The variation of Afang soup.
It's lovely.
But we're not going to do the jollof one for this one.
No. Let's appreciate eru.
As it is. Really good.
Eru and water fufu. Eru and water fufu. Plus God minus Satan.
This video is dedicated to late talented Nollywood actor Alexx Ekubo. May the Almighty God comfort his wife, his family, his friends, and us all, his fans. Fufu and eru is one of the dishes he enjoyed when he traveled to Cameroon. Let me show you how we make it. So start by boiling your meat until your meat is soft and tender. In my pot, I added some meat and I let it cook for about 30 minutes or until it's soft and tender. And I removed the meat and I set it aside. In the pot, I added some dry fish, crayfish, and I let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I added my water leaf, added some salt, cover, and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I added my eru and I stir properly. At this stage, you want to make sure that you stir very well so that the water leaf and the eru combine well together. When the eru is well combined, add some palm oil and some crayfish and stir. At this point, I tasted for salt and everything was okay, so I went ahead to add my boiled meat. So I combine everything together and mix very well. And I realized that the oil wasn't enough, so I added some palm oil. Stir very well. So you want to make sure you stir very well so that everything can combine nicely together. So I added now my snails. This is going to help to elevate my eru. See how green my eru is? That's the secret. You have to make sure that you don't overcook your eru. Let it stay green like this. So I mix everything nicely. At this point, our eru is ready. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy. Bye.